Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the resolution in your DJI Action 2 camera. So here's how we do it. In order to change the resolution, you swipe your hand from the bottom up like that, and then right here is your resolution where you could choose different formats such as 16 by 9 or 4 by 3, and then you can slide it back and forth and choose the desired resolution. And here's your frame rate: 24 frames per second, 25, all the way to 120 frames per second. Now, why would you go on a slower frame rate such as 24 or 25? That is to get cinematic, natural motion blur. Otherwise, if you're shooting sports and high moving objects, then you're better off at a higher frame rate. Once you have done your selection, you swipe it back down and you're ready to shoot. I hope this was educational. Please make sure to like and subscribe.